Ah, okay. Pinahaba ko lang pala. Anyway, where are you from?
Iloilo.
Iloilo. Ready ka na? Hindi ka kinakabahan?
I feel like a winner actually because I'm in the Grand Fiesta of Champions.
Well, this is ito po pinakamakulay na fiesta, mga kaibigan. Happy fiesta sa iyo.
Go, Cha!
Alright, nakasabi dito, Charmaine, ano ang nasa iyong purse? Diba? Mga babae, mga kaibigan, ang lalaki ng purse, akala mo may refrigerator sa loob, di ba? Isa yun, ikaw, pag normal na araw, nasa purse mo.
Ang nasa purse ko po is mirror. Because as a beauty queen, I must maintain a true and a clean face. I must see myself wherever I go. Before I went to the place I wanted to go, I should check if I look alright. That's all, thank you. Mirror? Mirror, lip tint, cheek tint, perfume syempre. Dapat mabango tayo. Kasi Filipinos are known to be clean. Diba? Yeah.
Alright, it's all about, mga kaibigan, vanity. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, number 19. That's Charmaine.